If we're leading up to high stress environments, are there ways we can anticipatorily prepare? So if we know something's coming, can we cognitively prepare? So I'm thinking of things like pass or fail exams, high stakes selection courses, deployments, or really challenging work environments. Are there ways, in the same way that we could like sleep extra ahead of travel time to try and offset the negative impacts and mortality risk associated with low sleep, what can we do cognitively before a big event?
The same kind of preparation, so thinking through what the task ahead might look like, what different scenarios, how they might play out. So we've got some preparation for the different options and different decisions that we might have to make. So having some thought through processes. So again, in the moment, the different scenarios have already played out in your mind. And then, there's other potentials that might not have, but you might have thought through different options and have some different plans in place. And if you've done that ahead of time, then they're thought through plans. They're not emotionally driven decisions. They're thought through decisions. So if you have some cognitive preparation, some preparation for different decisions that you might have to make, preparation for different scenarios, I guess, a bit like preparing for an exam. Like the more practice you do, the more prepared you are, the more familiar you are with the content of that prepares your brain cognitively. And then just, making sure you can be in the best position to make decisions on the spot, trying to get rid of any stress. Preparing yourself so if you're doing breathing exercises or something like that on the spot, you've already practiced those, so your body knows how to respond when you're breathing, and it has the right relaxant effects on you or the right ability to clear your mind or recognize your emotions. So it's really just preparation that can prepare you for whatever the task is that you need to do.
What is the link between visualizing positive outcomes and that cognitive preparation, like actually thinking through the options, but then also imagining those successful options and visualizing how you get there?
So I think in terms of the emotional component, if you've visualized and you've planned ahead and you've got some clarity in what different decisions might look like, that can help. You can also think about factors that might hinder your process of decision making, so preparing for any obstacles that might appear. So again, it's just about preparing. Visualizing can give you confidence in making different decisions if you have thought through and you can picture what the different outcomes might look like. It can give you confidence to make different decisions if you've thought through and you can picture the different outcomes.